Today's video is natural total reset drink. Natural total reset drink. And this is one of the ingredients that we will use for this drink. This drink is powerful. I personally knows the reason why I do recommend this powerful drink to you people. If you want your immune system to be in the best state, if you want to get results as immediate as you want, adopt measures to clean your immune system. Adopt a recipe or a juice that will help to boost up your immune system. So in today's video, I am going to teach you one of the best recipes to boost up your immune system. And the name of this recipe is, you can call it many names. You can call it natural total body cleanser or natural bomb to clean up your immune system. This recipe is very important. It is very important, very necessary if you want to get the best results anytime you apply any other remedy in your body. For you to get immediate effect, you must have your immune system being cleaned. You must make sure that your immune system is in a perfect state for you to get immediate results. Once there is diseases or other fighting symptoms or other fighting diseases that will suppress the recipe you take for a particular purpose, you will never achieve it. But once you use this natural bomb, this natural total body reset juice to clean up your immune system so that it will be ready to accept any other juice or any other remedy for you to get results you want. So adopt this natural bomb to clean up your immune system, or adopt this natural total body reset juice to put your body and your immune system in a better state. So that is what I am going to teach you in today's video. But before I proceed, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you never mix any of this video. And my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men or natural ways to keep men, you are welcome to this channel. You are on the right channel. Hit the like button and make sure that you subscribe to be a member of this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So let's proceed. What are the ingredients you need for today's recipe? The ingredients are very powerful, though they are simple, but I do recommend this recipe for you to make your immune system and your body system ready to accept any other remedy for you to get the best results in anything you want. So what are the ingredients? Number one is honey. Number two is ginger. Very, very important. And the last one is garlic. These are the three ingredients that you need for this recipe. These are the ingredients: honey, ginger, and garlic. These three are what you need. So watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will never miss the direction and procedures to prepare it. So how are you going to prepare this natural total body reset juice? It starts this way. First of all, use a grater. I just bring out this thing today for people that don't have blender and for people that don't know how to maybe grate all this natural recipe. You can use this type, this grater. There are other types or other designs, but I prefer this one because it has 4 different shapes or sizes or grating patterns you can gain from this particular grater. It has 4 faces, so I prefer this particular one. You can choose this side, you can choose this side, you can choose this side, and as well you can choose this side, depending the nature shape you want in everything you are doing with natural ingredients. So you will use this thing to, after you might have peeled this garlic, after you might have finished peeling it, then you can choose this side. I prefer this side. Wash it. I prefer this side. So after you might have finished peeling it, do it for you to get the particles of this. Put it in a pot because you are going to boil. Now, another thing is for you to scrape this ginger. After you might have finished scraping this ginger, grate it the same way you grate the garlic. Grate it for you to get the particles. Then boil only the two. You don't need much to clean up your immune system. These two works perfect. These two, ginger and garlic. Garlic and ginger. So only these two are the things that you need. Only these two are the things that you need in this recipe. Then I will tell you how to apply honey. Just follow me gradually. Then after you might have finished boiling it, after you have finished grating them, 2 of them, and put it in a pot, then boil it for 5 minutes so that it will boil and heat very well. For the boiling or for the hot water to get out the main juice of these 2 ingredients. After boiling it like 5 minutes, then bring it down and allow it to cool. Then once it gets cool, filter it and remove the chaff. But you are going to add more depending the quantity you want. But I will recommend make a quantity that will serve you for good 1 week. You must get results. 7 good days, you must get results. So make a quantity that will serve you for good 1 week. You can store it in a jug or in a container so that you can put it in a refrigerator for subsequent and other days. So how are you going to take it? Take 1 teaspoonful of this honey and add or put it in a cup and add maybe 4 teaspoonful of this juice and add. That's all. Take it morning and night. Morning and night. You are going to come back and give me testimony. The sole aim of this juice is to make your immune system healthy or to be in a perfect state. The main reason why I keep recommending this juice is to make sure that each and every one of you have the best immune system, so that any other recipe you add, maybe you want to gain weight or you want to lose weight, it will work effectively. There will be no germs or bacteria or virus that will suppress that remedy. So once your immune system is in order, any other remedy or recipe you put in your body or you take, it will be effective and you will get any intentional results. So why I do recommend this recipe is for you people to have the best immune system and the best body that can be in a perfect state. That's why I keep recommending recipes or juice that will clean up your immune system. So follow as I direct you After you might have finished creating these two, boil it for complete 5 minutes, filter it. Then anytime you want to take it, add honey, 1 teaspoonful. Take it morning and night for good 7 days. That your immune system must be in a perfect state. Those bacteria, viruses, or any other signs disturbing you, showing you that your immune system is not in order, sorry, you must get the best immune system. I assure you, with this recipe, you are good to go, so that any other remedy you are going to take, it will work perfectly for you. So that is for today's video. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or any comments, put it in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Share this video to your friends and family. See you in my next video. Thanks.